Kale. It's supposed to be good for you. So why does the taste and texture make me want to gag?
Yeah.
Got my pal here, Peter. He's my food aficionado.
That's what they tell me.
And who are they? You know, and today the rumor is that is awful. I don't know of a lot of it. I mean, there are 9.7% of the people on Earth that actually like the taste of kale. For the rest of us, it's a gagathon. But the nutrients in this food is off the chain, and you're going to show me today how to make it actually taste good.
Yep.
Okay.
We're going to try. Give it a shot. So
this is going to be exciting.
All right, keeping along with our theme of simple things that are packed with flavor.
Healthy, fast.
Simple, healthy, and fast.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Kale is a weird thing. I think it looks like something you would find in a fish tank.
Seriously, there should be a carp swimming around that thing right now.
Exactly, it has it, and it has that just impenetrable texture.
Yep.
So
we're still dealing with it.
But so what we've done is we've washed the kale, pulled the tough stems off, and torn it into bite-sized pieces. Okay. So what we want to do is make these palatable.
Yeah.
And
yes, we do.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
So we're going to use a little acid and a little
acid.
Yeah, and a
Should
little
I go
salt.
to my battery in my car?
Exactly.
Acid?
Yeah.
No. Not that.
No, not that kind of acid.
Oh, okay.
But so we're going to use lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar. Now, what is special about this? We were talking before we shot.
Yeah.
This is raw, unfiltered, with the mother.
With the mother.
With the
yes.
mother.
This is what you want. This is the good stuff.
Right here. Now, why?
Typically, when vinegar is made, apple cider vinegar, in a lot of commercially available varieties, what they do is they filter out the mother so it looks pristine and clear.
All right.
But what the mother...
But you don't eat with your eyes.
You don't. You eat with your taste buds, and your body certainly...
reacts to whether it's been processed or not.
Exactly. So the mother is kind of what remains after the vinegar has done fermenting. So it's a strand of proteins and like beneficial bacteria that make it look a little cloudy, but it is believed to be very beneficial and alkalizing for the body.
Because we want alkaline, we don't want acidic. Acidic causes inflammation, and alkaline is the opposite of that.
Yep.
Nice.
Whenever I use an ingredient, I try to make sure it's not just good for my taste buds, but it's good for the whole body.
Well, that's a good idea. That's why we're here at TH Kitchen Land, to share with you all the beautiful things inside my food aficionado Peter's head.
There you go.
So we've got our apple cider vinegar, we've got our lemon juice, got a little bit of kosher salt, and we have some extra virgin
Olive oil.
Does not get around the block olive oil.
Very healthy fat.
Very healthy fat, and of course more healthy fat than our avocado.
Yep, we're going to start with the lemon juice. We want 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which has been pre-measured.
Pre-measured right in there. So this is our acid, right?
This is our acid. It's one part of our acid.
Acid section 1.
Acid section 1, and then the second part of our acid is our apple cider vinegar.
Shauna, that's my wife's name.
Yeah.
Shauna.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's on the other camera over there.
She is.
So 2 here.
2 teaspoons of the well-shaken apple cider vinegar. A little more, a little less. Not gonna hurt anybody.
Precision, that's my middle name. Yeah. All right. Okay.
You can smell that, and then...
That is heavy duty, man.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, out of the way.
Half teaspoon of salt.
Half teaspoon.
Now we may add more salt at the end. If you taste it and say it needs a little more salt, you can always put in the salt. You can't always take it out.
Right. So start out light-ish initially,
yeah,
and then add more for flavor.
Exactly. And then the 2 tablespoons of the olive oil.
Extra virgin style.
It has a cork.
Of course, so stop twisting. I'll be here forever. Okay. Oh.
Look at that. As you get to know recipes, it's great to measure because you'll start to get a feel for it, but in the beginning it's great to measure just to make sure we're getting the right amounts of everything.
Unless you're your Italian grandmother, where it's just a pinch and a grab and a thing and a boom and it's perfect every time because she's done it 15,000 times.
Well, that's how I like to cook, but it's just been, I've been doing it for a while, so you get a feel for it. But in the beginning I always measure.
You want to measure.
Yeah.
You want to measure. I'm a measure guy. I'm a very precise guy. When doing a bicep curl, I want to make sure that I'm not rocking, I'm not kipping, I'm not cheating, full range of motion, work the entire muscle.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So this is
so now,
massage time, huh?
with our impeccably clean hands.
Oh, we scrub like surgeons.
Yeah, scrub.
Yes.
Yes.
Like heart surgeons.
We can just dig in and just go for it.
That's right, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
That's what you do.
I'm a little...
Just give it a go. You know,
Give it a go. God, can I have some grapes for my feet so I can do both?
exactly.
Here we
But
go.
see how it starts to turn this like kind of cool green? It starts to brighten up a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, escape me! No! Come back, young man. I'm grabbing and squeezing.
Yeah, just grabbing and squeezing, and it's very resilient.
It's a sensation in my hands I've never had.
Really?
Nope.
Never,
Can't say. Maybe when I was picking up leaves when I was 12 years old, earning like 14 cents
Exactly.
an hour.
Maybe that olive oil's not so extra virgin anymore.
Not anymore. It's not. Oh, it's been fully massaged.
As you massage more, the kale will get softer.
If this is gonna make it taste better, I'll be out of my mind.
Now give it a shot. See how we did.
No, I mean, I want to be honest. It's totally different.
Yeah.
It's totally different.
Let's see.
Jump in.
Yeah, it's good.
That is insane. I might even. Why don't you close it out while I just beat the crap out of this? Right?
We got to put the avocado on.
No!
No avocado. No.
No, you're right. Now we have a full avocado over there. Is that correct?
That is a full avocado. Avocado is a very healthy fat. It's great in the salad. And I like to just throw a little on top. And then we have this fancy schmancy pepper grinder.
Oh yeah, look at this.
From the Tony Horton kitchen.
Tony Horton kitchen.
We just do a little fresh grind of pepper. And then we serve it up, enjoy, and a very healthy and delicious kale avocado massaged salad.
William, my friend, you have upgraded kale in the most incredible way. This is absolutely fantastic, and the fact that we're having avocado too, it's just splendid. As you can see, camera B, camera A. Can you catch all that? Beautiful, brother. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, thank you. Good job.
Thank you, Mrs. Horton.